Hello there, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be counting top 10 most anticipated movies of 2021. So without any further ado, let's get started. Raya and the Dragon. Raya and the Dragon is an upcoming American computer animated fantasy film produced by Walt Disney Animation Studios. The film is directed by Paul Briggs and Dean Willens. The plot is such that Raya, a fearless and passionate warrior with a winning charm, is looking for a dragon, Sisu, a water dragon who is last of her kind and can transform into human. The film is scheduled to be released on 12th March 2021. Raya will be voiced by Cassie Steele and Sisu will be voiced by Aquafina. Moving on to the next film, Cruella. Cruella is an upcoming American crime comedy film. The film has been directed by Craig Gillespie. The movie will be live-action prequel feature film following a young woman, Cruella de Vil. The role of Cruella will be played by Emma Stone. The movie will be released on 26th May 2021. The next film on this list is Shang-Chi and the Legend of Ten Rings. Shang-Chi and the Legend of Ten Rings is an upcoming superhero movie by our favorite, Marvel. The film has been directed by Destin Daniel Cretton. The story of the film will feature Shang-Chi such that Shang was born as a living weapon by his father, a foreign kingpin called Fu Manchu, who appeared in 1973 and inspired him to believe everything is for the best of the people. The movie will be released on 12th February 2021. Simu Liu will play the role of Shang-Chi and also Awkwafina will be seen in this film. Moving on, Eternals. Eternals is an upcoming American movie produced by Marvel Studios. The film is directed by Chloe Zhao. The film's plot is revolving around a race of immortal beings who lived on Earth and shaped its history and civilizations. The cast of the following film is Kit Harington, Richard Madden, Salma Hayek, and one and only Angelina Jolie. The film is to be released on 12th February 2021. Tomb Raider 2 has been officially scheduled for 2021. Warner Brothers and MGM are indeed moving forward with Tomb Raider 2. Ben Wheatley will direct the sequel, which has been scheduled for release on 19th March 2021. The character Lara Croft will be played by Alicia. Boss Baby 2. We have been informed about this movie in the early 2018 after the movie Boss Baby, which was released on 2017. As the trailer was launched on April 2018 of the sequel, the movie will be released on 26th March 2021 and will be directed by Tom McGrath. Hotel Transylvania has been classic vampire animated funny and emotional ride movies from the beginning. After Hotel Transylvania 3 Summer Vacation, the series will be continued with the fourth installment that will be released on 22nd December 2021 and will be directed by Craig McCracken, and the movie will be written by Lindy Tartakovsky. The third movie on this list is
John Wick.
John Wick Chapter 3 was a huge success, and the movie ended with such a conclusion that there will be a sequel in the future. So here it is, John Wick Chapter 4 will be released on 21 May 2021. The characters being played by Keanu Reeves, and the movie will be directed by Chad Stahelski. F9, that is Fast and Furious 9. This movie series has always been loved by many. Fast and Furious 9 will be a sequel to 2017's The Fate of Furious. The film will be directed by Justin Lin and written by Daniel Casey. The cast will be Vin Diesel, John Cena, Cardi B and others. The most famous spy thriller Sherlock Holmes has always been the favorite detective, and he's my own personal favorite detective. He is witty, satirical and charming, and after the last part, which was released in 2011, there's always been a buzz for the third installment. Dexter Fletcher will direct this film. The film will be released on 22nd December 2021. Official news of the cast is been confirmed only for Sherlock Holmes and Jude Law, played by Robert Downey Jr. and John H. Watson respectively.
Ain't nobody perfect.